day to all employers. My name is Mercedeta B. Cardino. I am 29 years old. I am happily married with 2 wonderful kids, and I live in Antipolo City, Philippines. I finished first year in college taking business administration. I have a work experience as a helper here in Philippines for 4 years. I served 4 members of the family. The older sibling is 11 years old and the younger is 4 years old. My duties and responsibilities are taking good care of kids, send them to school, I prepare their meal, and also I help them do their homework. I also manage to do the household chores such as marketing, cooking, doing laundry, ironing, and cleaning. Ma'am, sir, I am a hardworking, trustworthy, and loyal person. If you will hire me, I'll promise to serve your family with love and respect. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope to see you soon.